Oh, I always get stressed getting on a plane, but we just checked our bags in because it was full. Look, now we're the first ones in. But we checked our bags because it was full. It's like, might as well. It's gonna take us a long time to lug all that stuff anyway. So we got in Group B. We're in, and how about you, love? We're seated already? How do you feel?
Yeah, it's go time.
Oh, I'm like missing your face.
No problem.
There
Sorry.
you go.
No problem.
All right, how do you feel?
It's
Baby
dirty
Truce?
back here, and of course it's the seats with two people.
How do you feel? Tell them in the mic.
Thank you, thank you.
How do you feel? Are you ready for the flight?
Yes. Aloha.
We made it. A lot of turbulence, but we made it. We're ready. Now we gotta rent a car, check in, eat, Target. We got a rental car, so first things first is we check everything. This recording is to see if there's any damage before we get the car. And then once we get the car, if anything happens before or after or whatever, we'll know that it was already there before. Dirt, scratch. Okay, what else is there? Right here at the bottom. And I think a small dent right here. Right here. Small dent. That's it so far. Oh, and a small dent right there. Yeah. Gotta get all of them. They usually don't, but you don't want them to tack on any of these previous things that are like scratch and scuff to tack it onto our bill. The weird thing about this lobby's on the 8th floor. Room review. This time it's not in Las Vegas, it's in the Hyatt Centric. Right, boom. Hyatt Centric. Emergency exit here. This is kind of like a weird shaped whole thing. It's like a weird shape. Has this lock right here, the deadbolt right here, and when you open it up, you have 2 complimentary water bottles right here. What was it? I like your shirt. Oh, thanks for the compliments. Very complimentary. There's some coffee, Keurig, blankets up there. They have a fridge. An actual fridge you could use. Take that, Vegas. They have a safe over here. You could fit your laptop standing up. They have 2 drawers down here. So you could stay here for 3 days because then the drawers will fill up. Just kidding. And then let's close these. Then we're gonna open up this and you have the hangers, including the flower girl dress. We have an emergency flashlight up there, place to put your shoes, ironing board, and steam iron, and then our bag. Then we go over here, you see a full-size mirror, and you see a light over here, the phone over there, a mirror over there partially being covered by the lamp, a wave thing. Is very eccentric, because Hyatt Centric, so eccentric. Here's the bed. Another light. Boing. Oh, is that the lights on thing? A huge TV, a desk, 2 trash cans inside, 1 trash can. This is a non-smoking room, so good. Oh, wait, it's a little warm in here. There you go. That's how we do it. And that's it. There's the room. Here's a little basket. It looks like a hamper basket with a table. Another thing right here. Do they have plugs? Yes, they have a plug. There's a couch. I think this is a pull-out couch. Something that, you could pull out. Unlike some people did, in that hotel. Our view is ocean view. We got upgraded. Shout out to my cousin for upgrading us by he's a globalist, so we got like Hyatt friends or something. So we got upgraded to ocean view. And if we didn't, then here's another ocean view via painting. Then we're gonna go here, look, oh, it's Moana 2. And here's the bathroom. This is actually one of the strengths, is the bathroom. Oh, it turned off. How do we turn it on? So we got a huge circle mirror light thing, a sink, and it has this theme like pastel, transparent. And then when you turn it off, there's a light under there so you don't stub your toe. We have a walk-in bath shower. And then we have a bathtub. And then we have a bidet. Oh man. So if you're ever having a bad day, you just sit on the bidet. This one's called a Toto washlet. Yeah, I'm gonna put all my Totos in there, you know what I mean? And then there's a huge leaf. This is like a Hawaiian leaf, I guess. And this is our hotel room for the next 7 days. We're here for a whole week. Stay tuned to all the videos because then it's gonna be pretty awesome. I don't know what we're gonna do much or what or not or yes or no, maybe so, because all our cousins are here. But also we have to attend to a wedding. So yeah. Okay, Moana, how do you feel about this room?
I feel good about this room.
Do you like it?
Yes.
What do you think is gonna be special time? What are you gonna do in the wedding?
I'm gonna walk slowly with Joey.
Yay! Oh yeah, and the view is ceiling to floor to ceiling windows and corner windows. Look at that. Wow, that's a beautiful view, beautiful room. Wake up to that every morning for the next 7 days. So the plug situation here is you have 2 plugs and 2 USB plugs there. Then you have 2 USB plugs here. And then a plug there, 2-prong. And then a plug here and a USB plug. And then 2 plugs and 2 USB plugs down here. And then 1 free plug here. You can stay well charged and well connected as you rest here and recharge and reconnect. It's your body. I'm in a lack of sleep. The plane was very turbulent. I'm delirious. So this is what you're getting. I don't know what's going on right now. Alright, we're out and about. We're gonna start by going to Target so we could get our necessities. The stuff we didn't want to travel with, like a bunch of diaper stuff that would stuff our luggage. We didn't do it. So now we're gonna go to Target so we have it, and then yeah, it'll last our whole trip and we throw it away. Easy, that's a tip right there. So you don't have to travel with it. Oh, over here they have an ALOHA wood thing and it's Diamond Head. Isn't that crazy? It's Diamond Head Target. Man, they have everything here. Look, the cart, we have our escalator here and the cart has its own escalator, but we're faster than it. We're so faster than it. Loser. We're gonna win. We got our Target haul. Things might be a little bit more expensive, but it's only 4% tax.
Worth it.
My sleep machine needs distilled water, so I got this one. It was like $2.50 more than the regular one, but it's Hawaii, you know? When in Hawaii is a menehune. Distilled water. What's the difference? Just sit back and relax in the swing. Ooh. That's a little tougher than I thought it was gonna be. This is all just the lobby still. They have tic-tac-toe over here. They have this TV over here, a book. This says Griffin. Take a book, leave a book. Oh, cool. Board games, too. And then they have this. Look, there's a bird inside. There's a bird. I don't know if that bird's supposed to be here. Oh, it's a bird. Yeah, where did the bird come from? Probably from out there. And then, oh, it looks like some faux grass. Over here, a big Connect 4. Dalton Connect 4.
ALOHA. Can I go in
Is this a Maui hook? Alright, we're here. First restaurant, Little Joe's Steakhouse for our Thanksgiving dinner for the family. There's my parents. There's my parents. They're gonna eat. Right, this is our Thanksgiving dinner. 6 days before Thanksgiving. We're here at Little Joe's Steakhouse and we're gonna eat our Thanksgiving dinner. And here's the meals right here. I think I'm gonna order a panko crusted chicken for her and her. Then I'm gonna get surf and turf over there or a New York strip. We'll see. Here's the family. We're ordering right now. They're waiting me to order, but I'm recording. So we get these free water bottles from Hyatt Centric. It just comes with the room, but then I don't know where to fill it. They said rooms floor 7 and floor 19. Oh, here it says ice. Let's see. Oh, there. Wait. Oh, here. Okay. Brita hydration station. So that's cool. It has these, and then I put a little bit of ice, and it has this. So, all right, that's cool. We ended up calling it a night. We're tired from the travel day. Pikachu. But we got an ube cake from downstairs. Took one bite. We're too tired. So we left it in the fridge and we're gonna eat it throughout the trip, throughout the days.